Welcome to Sowparnika Rhythm of Rain, an iconic residential community rising in Whitefield, Bengaluru. Spread across 6.75 acres, this project offers 1, 2, and 3 BHK homes thoughtfully designed for modern living. With over 725 premium apartments, state-of-the-art Mivan construction, and RERA approval, it promises durability and trust. Enjoy world-class amenities, a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, sports courts, mini theater, and landscaped gardens, all crafted to enrich your lifestyle. Strategically located near ITPL, Farm Junction, top schools and hospitals, this is where convenience meets connectivity. Prices start at 50.5 Indian rupees lakh and possession begins from 2028 onwards. Sowparnika Rhythm of Rain, experience the harmony of comfort, quality, and value in every drop.